Well, it's time to cook on the back of a Toyota Corolla again. And this time around, I'm going to show you how to make homemade funnel cakes out here in the desert while you're camping. Yeah, you can toast marshmallows, make s'mores, make mountain pies, but why not go an extra step and treat yourself to funnel cakes? So what you're going to need here in this bowl here is 1 1/3 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 a teaspoon salt, 3/4 a teaspoon baking powder, not baking soda, but baking powder. And you're supposed to sift all those ingredients together. I've already done that at home. I didn't want to bring a sifter out here with me. So you sift all those ingredients together, and then in a smaller bowl, which is right here, you want to whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I'm going to do that now. I forgot to mention, before you do anything at the outset, you have to heat oil in a pan about this size until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I forgot to bring my thermometer, so I'll have to play this one by ear, but the oil should be a couple inches deep. I think mine's only about 1 inch deep, if that's all I brought, but it still should be okay, but I probably could use another inch of oil. But anyway, heat that over a medium heat until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's doing that, you can be sifting together your dry ingredients, which I've already told you, and get those ready. And then I'm going to start on the wet ingredients, the egg, milk, and vanilla extract. Okay, I whisked together the 1 cup of milk, the teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. Now I'm going to take that and pour it into the dry mixture and whisk all that together to make the batter for the fried dough. So take this very carefully and add it in like that. And then let me give this a good whisk, and we'll come back to it in a second. So to make the funnel cakes, you take a 1 cup measuring cup and scoop it into the batter, get some in there, and then just pour it into the hot oil in like a circular motion, as if you're making like ribbons, like this. Kind of weave it back and forth and let it cook in the oil for about 90 seconds, but you want to keep an eye on it, and when it gets to be a nice golden brown color on the bottom, that's when you want to flip it for another 90 seconds. Depending on how hot your oil is, it might take longer or less. I don't have a thermometer here. It should be 375 degrees when you pour the batter in, and that should cook them perfectly. So I'm going to have to play this by ear, but you can see how it's already cooked. It's already cooking up nicely, getting a nice golden brown color. Okay, it's been about a minute or so. Let's flip it. Yeah, that's the golden brown color you're going for. I think mine was less than a minute. My oil is probably hotter than 375, but that's what you want to get on both sides. So I'll let that cook for about a minute, keeping an eye on it. But doesn't that look good? Nice and golden brown. So there's the fried dough. Just took it out of the oil, and then you want to add some powdered sugar on top. Let me do that real quick. And there's the powdered sugar. And then I like to do a little magic trick. It goes like this: abracadabra, alacazares, cover my funnel cakes with fresh cut strawberries. Check this out. Ta-da! Now that is a snack fit for a king out here in the desert, where I've just proven you don't have to go to the carnival or county fair to enjoy fresh homemade funnel cakes. Hope you like the recipe. Full details are in the video description, including the complete recipe, so check it out. Make yourself some funnel cakes and tell me how it turns out. Thanks for watching.